In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide pages in Notion using a simple and practical method that works for personal workspaces, team spaces, and dashboards. If you've ever felt your Notion sidebar getting cluttered, or you wanted to keep certain pages out of sight without deleting them, this tutorial is exactly what you need. We'll walk through everything step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll know how to organize your Notion workspace more cleanly and efficiently. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion and productivity tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Notion and go to the workspace where you want to hide pages. Look at the left sidebar where all your pages are listed. To start hiding pages, we're going to create a dedicated container page. This page will act like a folder where hidden pages live. To do this, click on the plus icon or the New Page option in the sidebar. Once the new page opens, you can leave it blank or add content later if you want. Now, rename this page to something like Hidden Page or Archive. The name doesn't matter as long as you remember what it's for. This page will be the place where you move pages you don't want visible in your main sidebar. After renaming the page, make sure it stays collapsed most of the time so it doesn't distract you. Next, find the page or pages you want to hide. These could be old projects, reference pages, or anything you don't need daily access to. Click and hold the page in the sidebar, then drag it directly into the hidden page you just created. When you see the page indent under the hidden page, release it. That page is now nested inside the hidden container. Repeat this process for any other pages you want to hide. You can drag multiple pages into the hidden page to keep everything organized. Once you're done, click the small arrow next to the hidden page to collapse it. When it's collapsed, all the pages inside are hidden from view in your sidebar. This makes your workspace look much cleaner while still keeping all your content safe and accessible whenever you need it. If you ever want to access a hidden page, just expand the hidden page again and click the page you need. You can also drag a page back out at any time if you want it visible again. This method doesn't delete anything and doesn't affect sharing permissions, so it's completely safe to use. It's also great for teams because you can hide internal or archived pages without confusing other collaborators. That's really all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can hide pages in Notion and keep your workspace neat and focused. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tips, software guides, and productivity hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.